Right here, Top Thrill Brothers. What you're about to witness here is the most terrified I have ever been on any ride in my life. Never wanted to get off a ride more than I wanted to get off of this one. I never came closer to blowing chunks than I did on this ride, and I would never get on that damn thing again. So, no acting here. This is all legit. This is a terrible idea. What the hell did I get myself into? Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh shoot. What the hell?
Oh, it's so cold. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh boy. Oh. Oh my god. It's rocking. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, it's it. Oh, fuck me. Oh my god. Oh, this is the worst idea I ever had. Oh my god. Please end. Please end. Okay, no more. Oh, I want off. Oh my god, I want off. Oh boy. Holy crap. Oh, please let us off. No, it was terrible.
You gotta go on your way to the top with no way to stop.
Wait, we're not going to go again, are we?
We're going the other way now.
You're kidding.
I'm not kidding.
I want to get off.
Oh, we're going the other way. 7 more.
Don't say that. Okay, we are moving backwards now.
They wouldn't announce it.
Here we go. Oh man, I wish this was just stopping right here at this platform and letting us off. That's not happening. Okay, all right, nice and easy. Look at the horizon. No. Oh, please be done. Please be done. Oh my god. Oh god. One more time around, I was gonna lose it. Oh my god. Oh.
I want to touch the purple thing.
Oh, that's the closest I ever came to losing my lunch.